How you doing? I'm Darren with Kickin BBQ. If this is your first time to the channel, then welcome. If you've been here before, then welcome back. Today we are talking Texas Twinkies, honey Chipotle Texas Twinkies to be exact. If you remember from my last video, we cooked up that brisket point. Now today we're going to be utilizing some of that to make these honey Chipotle Texas Twinkies. So let's bring you in and show you how we're going to prep these up. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get our cream cheese down on top of a foiled sheet pan. Then we're going to come in with some of my Kickin BBQ honey Chipotle rub. Just gonna season up that cream cheese. All right, now that we have that seasoned up, we're gonna go ahead and prep up our jalapenos. All right, you can see here I have 6 large jalapenos, and all I'm going to do to get these prepped up is I'm just going to make a slit down the side of them. And then just kind of peel that open, and that'll show you all the guts in there. Then we're just gonna take a small spoon and just kind of scrape all that out. This is gonna lower the heat on these. If you like them hot, go ahead and leave this in. All right, you can see I have it mostly scraped out. These veins in here is what's gonna carry some of the heat, so if you want a little more bite to these, leave some of those veins in. But I like to try and go ahead and get most of the seeds out. I'm gonna get the rest of these deveined and deseeded, and I'll bring you back. All right, so now that I have all the jalapenos deseeded and deveined, I've got the cream cheese seasoned up. I'm gonna get this out onto the pellet grill at 250 degrees, just until these jalapenos have softened, and then we'll go ahead and stuff them. So I'm gonna get these out, give them about 20-30 minutes, and then I'll bring you back. All right, so these peppers were on at 250 degrees for 20 minutes. They're softened up a little bit. When I make these, I still like to have the pepper have a little bit of a bite to it as far as like a crunch factor, so I don't get these super soft. Now what we're going to do is, you can see I have my chopped brisket point right here. Smells phenomenal. And this cream cheese is nice and softened up. I'm just gonna plop that in there like so. And then we're just gonna get it mixed up. And throwing it on there is just gonna give that cream cheese a little bit more flavor. If you wanted to smoke it for longer, you could. But it's just gonna soften it up, make it nice and easy to mix up there. Now what we're gonna do here is come in with a little bit more of the honey Chipotle rub. Like so. Give that a good mix. I'm just gonna try it. We got really nice flavor there. And now, we're just gonna go ahead and stuff our peppers. And the best way to do that is just by getting your hands dirty. Stuffing these up, pinching them, scraping off any excess right there. You can see, looking fantastic. There's one. Start on this other one. Nice and stuffed up. Pinch it closed, squeeze out some of the excess. There's 2. I'm gonna get the rest of these stuffed up and I will bring you back. All right, so now it's time to wrap these up. We have them all stuffed up. We're just gonna take some bacon, and this is a thinner cut bacon, or normal cut bacon, I should say. It's not a thick cut. I don't like bacon wrapping stuff with thick cut bacon. If you watch my channel before, you know this, mainly because it takes forever to cook and it always cooks super uneven, and it's just, I don't know. I like normal or thin cut bacon for the bacon wrapping process. Get that wrapped around like so. And that is one, looking good. I'm gonna get the rest of these wrapped up and I'll bring you back. All right guys, so you can see we have all of our Texas Twinkies wrapped up nice and tight with bacon. A couple of these bigger ones did take about 1.5 pieces. Now all we're gonna do is just come in with a little bit of honey Chipotle, just for a little color on top. Get these looking right. All right, now that we have these seasoned up, these are gonna go back out on the smoker at 250 degrees until the bacon is done. Probably about 1 hour to 1.5 hours. I may bump it up to 275 just to get these done, since I am losing daylight. But yeah, they're looking good. You could even put these in the refrigerator, prep them ahead of time, and cook them tomorrow if you wanted to. But I'm gonna get these back out onto the smoker. I'll bring you back when it's time to check them and let you know how long it's been. All right, so it has been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. I did raise the temperature to 275 degrees just to get this done. As you can see, it's getting a little dark out. Now I just have some honey barbecue sauce that I thinned down with a little bit of water in a squirt bottle. And this is a little tip. If you want to get stuff coated evenly, throw it in a little squirt bottle and just go ahead and squirt it on. Like I said, honey barbecue sauce, a little bit of water, makes it nice and easy. We got that pan under there to catch the drippings, and they're nice and sauced up. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna let this sauce set for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. I've lowered the temperature down to 225. Gonna get a little smoke on there. Just let this sauce up. So we'll see you in about 5-10 minutes. So it has been about 5 minutes. You can see these are looking great, nice and set up. I'm gonna get these inside, let them cool off a little bit. We'll jump in, we'll do the taste test. See you in about 10 minutes. All right, so we've gone ahead and let these cool for a little while. We're gonna go ahead and try it out. But first, I wanna get a cross section here. Look at that. beautiful cream cheese, nice brisket. I cannot wait to try this. So let's bring you out and let's do a taste test. All right, so here we go. Cheers. That is amazing. You get the nice crunch from the peppers. They're not overdone, they're not mush. You get the mellowness from the cream cheese. You get the sweet heat from the honey chipotle. And then you get the nice sweetness of the sauce, the honey barbecue sauce. This is an awesome cook. I guarantee it's gonna be a hit at your next cookout. If you're looking for the honey chipotle barbecue rub, I'll have a link down below. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell, stay safe, and we will see you next time.